Hello Gemini, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do your monthly predictions for the month of April. So let's go and get started, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up for you guys. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Alright, Gemini, so it kind of looks as though things are going to be looking up for you in terms of finances here for the month of April. You guys do have the Nine of Pentacles here. You also do have the High Priestess and the Star card. So a lot of spirituality playing into April, or you're being advised to turn towards spirituality throughout any moments where you might feel stressed out by certain things, or you might feel kind of confused. I'm also seeing you guys heal from something. For some of you guys, I feel like either your time is limited with a father figure in your life or a male figure in your life, and you should possibly spend more time with this person, or you guys might have recently had a father figure pass away, or you guys could possibly be reminiscing over a male figure or be reminiscing over someone in the month of April. I don't know if I said May earlier. Anyway, so kind of looks as though you guys might have some type of scenario stressing you guys out. Again, you're being advised to turn towards spirituality, pray, meditate, get in touch with your spiritual side in the month of April, okay? Because I do see a moment where you might feel a little bit flustered or kind of like stressed out. You don't know what to do pertaining to something that kind of catches you off guard, that you weren't expecting, that you might have to react quickly to, but you kind of just don't know how to deal with that situation. Turn inward, I would say. Turn towards spirituality for some form of guidance for you guys. Yeah, again, so I'm seeing here maybe the passing of someone, possibly, because I have like gloomy cards over here, and then I have a Six of Pentacles, which to me either symbolizes time, but it could also possibly symbolize like inheritances or something, money coming to you guys from a source that isn't from like an income source or anything like that, or a job source is what I'm trying to say. You do have the Judgment card here, and then the Three of Cups. Okay, so could be, again, there's an undertone of spirituality here. Again, you have a spirit floating up in the Judgment card. Could again symbolize that someone could possibly end up passing in the month of April. To me, this symbolizes someone who might have been close to you. Can symbolize like a very close family figure or a friend is what I'm getting. Or to me, I feel like there might be something that occurs that you guys can't necessarily fight or fend off. It's part of what's fated to happen that might potentially bring you guys in closer to family members, to friends, or something like that. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. Right, so let's see what else comes up for you guys. Again, so you guys could possibly be dealing with a Leo, a Taurus, or a Scorpio here. Again, there is an undertone of like death here, possibly someone feeling lonely as a result of death or missing someone again. For some of you singles, or for those of you people who are in relationships, could apply to both. There could be someone that potentially could be after you guys or be trying to date you, but I feel like you guys are acting disinterested or not giving this person the time of day. Probably because you guys have other things to really focus on or tend to that are far more important than this person who's trying to get your attention. Right, so yeah, for some of you guys could possibly be receiving an inheritance, or there's like a windfall of money coming your guys' way. There seems to be some form of instability within the family. So again, it could be as a result of someone having heart conditions, health issues, or someone passing away, okay? Because this is another spiritual card I consider spiritual. This one can to me symbolize some form of health issues. Again, it could relate to circulatory issues in the body, the heart, the lungs, could be blood related, or it could just symbolize some form of intense pain that is inflicted onto the body. So again, you have the High Priestess. Again, just like the other deck, this is one of the first few cards that came out. So again, could relate to either Pisces or Cancer here. Or it can symbolize spirituality. You have the Seven of Cups. And the Tower card. So you did you get the Tower card? Yes, you did, I think. So again, kind of looks as though you guys are evaluating what to do pertaining to something that abruptly happens. Again, could be the passing of someone, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to be, but it's possible there. I'm seeing here also like someone is very adamant about like helping you guys or being there for you guys throughout whatever occurs in the month of April. I don't know why, but I feel like a funeral is important in the month of April. There's a service held in memory of someone. There's also mourning, okay? Right, so you guys could also possibly, you know, be feeling a little bit negative, or again, be conscious of your own thoughts this month, what you guys are focusing on. You guys could be in conflict with people here. There could be some form of competition. It could be work related or something like that, since you do have the Three of Pentacles here. Also, there could be two people in your life who you're currently dealing with. I want to say these are possible romantic contenders here, one of which you might stop talking to because you realize like they aren't your type, but you might end up focusing more so on another one. Alright, for those of you who are coupled, I would say it's likely you might potentially be having some kind of relationship issues with your partner. You both are upset or both emotionally imbalanced in the month of April, so just be conscious again of what you guys are thinking about. For those of you people who are single, it kind of looks as though you might potentially meet a suitor here, someone who you will be drawn to romantically or be physically attracted to this month. I also feel like you kind of beat out the rest of the competition for this person or vice versa. Kind of looks as though you will possibly end up starting to date someone new, or you could possibly also enter into a relationship here. Could also be like if you guys are already currently partnered with someone and they happen to have a child with another female. Could be like this female isn't necessarily happy with you guys, or she's upset, or she just happens to be drama or something like that. That's what I'm getting. Alright, so for another group of you guys, I do feel like you guys could potentially end up being in a relationship again or entering into a serious partnership or commitment here, okay? Let's see what else comes up. Also, for some of you guys, there could be someone from their past coming back trying to reconcile, but I feel like you guys could potentially reject this person because they've caused too much harm for you guys in the past. Some of you guys could be traveling for work, or you guys could be and end up leaving a job for another one that might be at a distance or something like that. Alright, so I'm also seeing like some of you guys like put in a lot of labor into something, so it could be like home projects or something like that, where you guys are like having to put a lot of physical energy into these things. But I feel like whatever you guys put energy into this month, I feel like it kind of pays off for you guys towards the end of the month, or you'll have some form of good outcome there. Some of you guys could be faced with having some form of legal issues or legal cases going on in the month of April that might, you know, test you or might overwhelm you guys a little bit here. Or this month is the month where like it finally closes out for you guys, or the case is resolved, or there's a verdict made. Alright, so lastly, I'm getting that you guys are gonna be receiving a wish come true. Again, it's like you guys have good fortune coming to you guys, especially when it regards money, or again, you guys could potentially be, I don't know, receiving money. That's what I'm getting, okay? For some of you guys, if there's like a family member that was pending to be sentenced in a criminal court case, this is a month where it's decided. The outcome may not be that great, okay? Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm getting for you guys. It kind of looks like a good month in regards to finances. Again, remain strong with whatever occurs this month. Turn towards spirituality, turns towards prayer, turn towards meditation and stuff to get you guys by through any stressful situation this month. Okay, so again, thank you guys for watching. If you guys felt like this resonated, please comment down below, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.